tatu.
Muingi kuma kaunti ya Nyandarua riu ni utanyitwo kugunika na taito cia migunda iria makoretwo magitia kwa ihinda iraya. Undu uyu ukite nduku nini tu thutha wa mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta watha ministry ya migunda heane taito cia migunda kuri andu a hindi ya bara na aria makoretwo magitetia thirikari makiuga ni irikitie kumatiganiria. Komishina wa kaunti ino ya Nyandarua Boaz Cherotich augite ati kwa ihinda riri taito itanyihire 71 ni irikitie kuheanwo na oho ingi 197 ni ikuheanwo igomano-ini itiganite kwambiriria kiumia giukite.
We have directed the land registrar to organize and have these titles issued. So we're going to have forums, public forums, where the beneficiaries will come forward and then we will issue them with the title deeds.
Samuel Kamau noria ni murugamiriri wa migunda augite ati aria mekuheo taito cia migunda ni aria kwa matuko maingi maikarite guku, akiuga aria mendeirio migunda guku magirirwo ni kuoya ikinya ria gwetha aria mamendeirie niguo mandikithio ta ene migunda eno.
Ni turaruta wira hamwe na thirikari ya kaunti na thirikari nene nigetha tuone ati maritwa maria turareherwo kuma kuri komiti acio aicagi ni maritwa maria magiriire gukorwo makiheo broti icio cia gicagi.
Ihinda-ini riu mwandikithia wa migunda mwena wa Samburu na Nyandarua Charles Ayenda augite ati mena mubango wa gutabania mucemanio wa kweheria rumena hamwe na gwetha kihonia gia thogothogo ciegie migunda. Oho ni oririe family cia andu aria meyandikithitie magire taito icio cia migunda kuona maya gukorwo aria meyandikithirie matire kuo.
However, number of colonial villages have some challenges which have been highlighted by the CEO, and therefore we need to visit those places as from Wednesday next week, so that we can get to understand what are those emerging issues about double allocation and get to understand and then resolve the problems before we can be able to give out those leases where people are complaining that their leases have been given out to strangers.
Mararagia mucemanio-ini uria urahaririirio ni kamiti ya ukuria kaunti ino ya Nyandarua uria urari mwena wa Olkarau. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Njeri wa Wambui.